Hey guys, it's Evie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a everyday makeup look because I have done a few makeup looks on my channel, but I feel like it's changed a bit and I just really like filming them. I also wasn't sure if you guys would like it since I have uploaded one in February, but I did do a poll on Instagram and the majority of you wanted to see an everyday makeup look, so that is what I'm going to be doing for you today. But right now, I'm going to be honest with you, I've been so stuck for video ideas that you guys will like, and I feel like I keep doing the same videos, so if you want to comment down below any video ideas at all that you have, even if you think there are weird video ideas, just comment any down below because it would be so helpful. And if I do use your video that you comment your request, then I'll make sure to give your YouTube name a shout out in the video. So please comment some video requests down below. That would be really helpful. But I don't like long intros myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and get straight on with this makeup look. Make sure to give it a massive thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Let's try and get this video to 100 likes. That would be amazing. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, which is the one you're on, EvieEllen. I also have a second channel, Extra Evie, so if you're interested, go check that out as well. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So I've moved a little bit closer because I prefer watching makeup tutorials when they're a little bit closer, so hope this is okay. But if you do prefer me to be further back or closer in a video coming up, I don't know, in a future video, that's the word I was trying to say, then just let me know down below. Just any constructive criticism is taken. I usually will use some moisturizer before makeup, but I don't have mine here with me right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Barry Flawless Original Primer, and this is also kind of moisturizing as well, so it will just keep my face nice and soft because it has been quite dry recently. But I go ahead and just put this all over my face. Personally, I prefer a lighter primer because this one's quite heavy on my face, so I have been using my Smashbox Primer Water, but I have recently literally run out of it, so I need to buy another one of that. I had a mini one and it actually lasted a few months. But I'm just gonna rub this in with my hands. Okay, so starting off, I either will you just use the concealer or I do foundation and concealer. So today I'm using this Rimmel Breathable Foundation. A lot of these products I have used in videos before, so you'll probably be like, oh, Evie, why are you doing this video? Again, we don't care anymore. But basically it's kind of I use them differently. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation on first and then use my beauty blender, which is damp, that blends out a lot easier. Okay, so I'm now doing a bit of concealer just to cover up anything else. So this is the Revlon Colour Stay Concealer, and I've been using this recently. My mum actually gave it to me because I think she either didn't get on with it or it wasn't her shade. I think it wasn't her shade, so it's actually really good. But yeah, I'm just using this on our eyes mainly because I get so much sleep, but I always get such bad bags, and my veins are so prominent, do you know what I mean? So I just need to blend this all in. Can you see that? It's gone red because I've gone like that. This is how sensitive my skin is. Literally, look how red that's gone. Please just ignore that. Hopefully that will go down. But now I'm going to set my face. I need to get out of that habit because I always put so much powder on because I'm so scared of everything creasing. But I'm going to try and put on, I'm actually not going to use a small brush. I'm going to try and just go for a big brush today and see if it will crease, because I always put on so much under my eyes and I feel like it will just look so cakey when I do that. So I'm just going to go roughly, do you know what I mean? Okay, so now I don't normally do this, but sometimes I do, so I'm just gonna do it today. This is the Maybelline Master Contour Stick, and I basically, it looks like this. It's really good actually. And I basically just bronze my face up a little bit with it. I can't do bronzer for my life, so this just kind of gives me that bronze without me having to do powder bronzer, which I feel is so hard. I've got a weird natural line on my face, so it always looks like it hasn't been blended, so please just ignore that. I don't think I'm gonna do my forehead because I always do that really badly, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my jawline a little bit to get that going strong. Okay, so I'm now doing highlight, and this is so hard to do, this highlight, because it's the Barry Liquid Chrome Highlight Drops in the shade Beam Me Up, and these are really good, but the only thing is, literally, it's so easy to ruin your makeup. First of all, the dropper literally just doesn't work really very well. You're not going to drop that much on your face. If you did, good luck. I literally put on 3 little dots. I was like, oh, it's okay, I'll just blend it out. It literally made my whole cheek so glittery. I had to take all my makeup off and start again. So this is really, a little bit definitely goes such a long way. I guess it depends on the look you want, but I need, that is probably too much, literally. It's just so much. Look how much that does. So, you know, this is really good. They say mix into foundation, But I haven't plucked up the courage to do it yet because like I feel like it's just gonna go so crazy and I'm just gonna be like, great, because I feel like it's just too glittery. But that is kind of that. You see, it kind of gives like a natural glow. I really like it. It does take a while to blend in, obviously, because it's cream and you have to be really, really careful you don't overdo it. But if you have time to do it, it takes like 5 minutes. It's kind of a lot just to rub in some highlights. That is like the base of my makeup done. I'm now going to move on to eyebrows. So I did mention this in my Get Ready With Us video a couple weeks back, but I use the brow drama because I don't fill in my eyebrows anymore because it's just got so hard to do. I just cannot do it anymore. So I use this, and I also kind of prefer the look of this because when I used to fill my eyebrows in, it just used to be really, really hard to do because I feel like the shape of my eyebrows changed a lot, so then I couldn't fill them in, and I'm just really bad at filling eyebrows in. And yeah, and I was growing them out anyway. As you can see, like the end is growing out a lot. If you go to a video of mine from like a year or more ago, you will see that my eyebrows were kind of really thick at the beginning, and then whoa, what was that? They're really thick at the beginning, and then towards the end of the eyebrow they just got really, really thin. Yeah, I've been trying to grow them out, so if you like go back and see those videos, let me know if you see the difference. I love it because you can just make your brows really feathery, and they actually kind of stay like that as well, because obviously some of these products you're not gonna get it to stay, but because this is a gel, it will set them down like this. And it doesn't actually take that long as well. Depends how much of a perfectionist you are. I'm like a massive perfectionist, so like they have to look somewhat perfect. They're the eyebrows. They literally take so much quicker than they used to take. I'm now going to move on to some mascara. So this is the Bourjois Volume Reveal Mascara, and I'm so happy I found this again because literally I got this for Christmas from Helena and I lost it, and I'm so upset. And I found it again. I'm really happy when I found it. I was really happy when I found it. So I'm just going to put this on. But I don't curl my lashes. Whoa, look at that. I don't curl my lashes before because I don't know what my eyelash colour is, but this works really well anyway. Okay, so basically any mascara that like gets here, I basically take a makeup eyeshadow brush thing, I almost forgot what it was called, and I try and like blend it out because if I use a makeup wipe I'll take off the makeup underneath it and then it might look a bit patchy, so I try to just blend it away if it's not too much. But yeah, this is a mascara. It's so good. I really, really like it, and it's so amazing. I literally love it so much. And I do put on bottom lashes as well. If I'm going out somewhere and I know it's going to rain, I put a little bit of my Bad Gal Bang on top because it's waterproof, I think. So I feel like it will like give a seal over the top so it doesn't smudge, because I don't think this is waterproof. But if they do a waterproof one and I buy it again, which I probably will because it's so good, then I will definitely invest in a waterproof one because that's what we're gonna do. I like how it's lengthening, spaced out lashes, and it's kind of volumizing as well, which I really like. Okay, so now, if I remember, you know, take care of those lips. So this is the Lucas's Pore Ointment, and I've used this in a few videos now. What I really like, it gives your lips a nice shine as well, so it kind of looks like you have lip gloss on, but then it's also like a lip balm, so it's like 2 in 1. Some heat saying, so in my makeup bag, and I was like, ooh, this is nice. So now I'm going to use some of this Maradescu. This is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber and green tea. This is 4 fluid ounces or 118 millilitres. This was established in 1967. This is for all skin types. It's for dog dry skin. Okay, let's get started. So I always get scared to smudge my mascara, so I try to do it when it's more dry. But I feel like this just sets the face, and hopefully will keep it on a little bit longer during the day. So yeah, this is the finished makeup look. It's really, really nice and natural and glowy. I'm the type of person who does kind of natural makeup, but then I do like a lot of mascara because I just love the way it looks. So this is the finished look. Like I said at the beginning, I know this is probably similar to other everyday makeups, but it's kind of changed a little bit, and I really enjoy filming them. And also, like I said, you guys voted for this video on the poll, so I really hope you did enjoy it. Make sure to give it a massive thumbs up if you did. Let's try and, like I said, get to our goal of 100 likes, because honestly that would be so incredible. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Down there you can go ahead and click see on my last video, which you should definitely go and do. It's a collective haul, and it was really fun to film as well. And then you can also subscribe to my channel, and then down here I'll have all my social medias. I also sell stuff on my Depop, EvieEllen YT, if you're interested, so you should go check that out too.